Before we begin the activity of goal-oriented planning, we should take some time to understand some of the basic principles of goal-oriented planning. Generally, there are three main steps to goal-oriented planning. Number 1, informing, where we conduct activities such as brainstorming our interests and gather data based on those interests. Number 2, forming, where we begin the activity of forming goals based on our interests and the data we have gathered. Number 3, planning, where we plan a path to achieve our goals, execute our plan, and monitor our progress along the way. In addition to these three steps, we might find ourselves evaluating and refining interests, goals, and plans along the way due to changes that occur in our lives. This is to be expected on the path of attaining our goals, as we will cover in a later lesson. As we think about these three steps of goal-oriented planning, we could also think about how these three steps are analogous to a feedback cycle. In this feedback cycle, it could be said that our initial brainstorming and data gathering activities will inform our goals. Our goal-forming activities will determine what steps are being planned during the planning activity. Finally, based on the progress and challenges we have made along the way, we might find it useful to use that information to feed to our other activities, beginning once again with brainstorming. This model of goal-oriented planning could actually be applied to various fields. A quick scholar search shows how the goal-oriented planning model in one form or another could be applied to different studies.